Hi there, students. Did you know that you can catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar? I've heard this phrase various ways. For example, you can catch more flies with a drop of honey than you can with a barrel full of vinegar. But what does it mean? Well, it means if you persuade people, if you ask nicely, if you're polite, it's much more effective than being authoritarian and rude and giving orders. People are much more likely to react positively and do what you want and do it well if you're friendly about it, rather than saying, do that, making it an order. So, for example, if English class is fun and enjoyable, honey, it's much more effective than a teacher who says, you've got to learn this, something that's less pleasant, that's boring perhaps, vinegar. If parents tell their children, you must study or I'm going to be really angry, it's much less effective than a parent who says, if you study, it'll be really good for your future. If you get good marks at school and you do well at school, then this is going to create a positive attitude in your life and you're going to be much more successful. You can catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. And if you think about this in life, it's very clear that this works. If people are persuaded to do something, then they do it because they know it's right. If you order them to do it in an authoritarian and unpleasant manner, and you threaten them with the stick, then they normally will do it, but they won't do it very well, and they won't do it with any enthusiasm. So it's like the carrot and stick method. But what this is saying is the carrot is much more effective than the stick. Okay? You can catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. Okay? So, I'm sure you can find a place to use this. Let's see, what about formality? I think you can use this saying in an informal situation, and I think it would look very nice in a formal document. Okay? So, yeah, it's better to persuade than to order. Being nice and asking politely is much more efficient than being unpleasant and dictatorial. It works much better. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. You can catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar. Bye for now.